Are we ready?
Everything is ready. Did you see how many reflectors I put here?
Oh, yeah.
Look,
Yes.
all here.
That's good. That's nice and
You know, on the
safe.
side.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, looks good.
So I don't have to stop.
You gotta love this rider. He's gonna be the only motorcycle rider in a cashmere sweater.
It's comfortable. So I'll take it.
This is cool. This is this little. What's in it?
Water and electrolyte.
Water and electrolytes. Got a little tubing thing for us non-motorcycle riders. It's kind of a cool thing.
This is the time. It wasn't that this type. Saved.
And
So we're gonna do this one here.
which is to where?
Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. 6 hours?
6 hours. And it's
Well, not counting the stops, right?
right. So it's about 7:30 right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Does it kickstands up in 5 minutes?
Yes. 10 minutes, I'd say.
10 minutes. Well, he's about to roll. He's getting his helmet. Looks like it's gonna be great. I'm excited for him. I can't wait to meet him down in Key West. Every night he's gonna check in, and during the day he said I can call him because his Bluetooth goes right to his helmet. In between his music and songs, I'll just pop right in and be able to chit chat. I told him if he's getting tired or bored on the road, needs some diversion, give me a shout. So looks like it's the big time.
Finally, okay. Few things this morning. I had to figure it out, the GPS, and it wouldn't start until I saved it. So it was a little bit frustrating, but totally fine. And now I have to stop to put one more layer because it is still cold in here. So I think you are ready to go now. Right, let's go. All right, so this is the first day of my journey. So first stop, Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. GPS says 1 o'clock, but I am expecting probably like 3:30, because I have to stop for gas and stop to stretch a little bit. But it will be fun. And here we go! I'm so excited, so pumped. I am on Mass Pike right now, going towards Hartford, Connecticut. And like I said, I am expecting to get to Key West in 6 days. And I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna really enjoy. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures, a lot of videos. And I couldn't be happier, and that's a great thing. Enjoy life. First leg is done. I just got here in Pennsylvania, Bloomsburg. It was challenging, I would say. I left at 8 in the morning from Framingham and just got here, and it was raining the whole time. Bike is here, everything's fine, so I cannot wait to just go inside and take a shower and relax. Hey everyone, I just got to the second hotel. I am in Roanoke, Virginia. This is the hotel, quite nice. Look. And nice bathroom, let's take a look. Yeah, that's very nice. So I'm gonna take a nice shower because I am super tired. I'm gonna eat something and then, all right, talk soon, bye. This is a super nice road, Route 11 South from Pennsylvania, going towards Roanoke, Virginia. Beautiful, beautiful day. 61 degrees. And finally a beautiful day. And hopefully no rain for the rest of this trip. We'll keep you posted on everything that happens. And hopefully only great things and beautiful places, beautiful scenery. Yay, one more day. Second day actually. Beautiful, beautiful. It was an awesome ride. I think I did like 420 miles today. It was much better, of course, than the first day. First day there was so much rain. And I just arrived here at the hotel. Looks beautiful, looks nice. Right? Anyway, so the bike has been amazing, I have to tell you. And I think the best investment that I did was to add this windshield, which is much bigger and like much taller and much wider than the original one, and it makes a huge difference. I actually have to clean that up now. So we talk soon. All right, bye. Good morning. Day 3 starts now. So from Roanoke, Virginia to Athens, Georgia. I should be able to do this leg in 6 hours. I avoid like most of the main highways. I think it's gonna be nice. It's a beautiful day and hopefully no rain. The camera is amazing, the Action 5, the Osmo. But then I tried to put this wireless microphone here with the Velcro, but then it's right on my mouth, right? The only thing that works perfect was the GoPro, which is an old GoPro, like a 7, and it worked perfect. Anyway, let me know in the comments what do you think, and we'll talk soon. Yay, finally. Stop recording. Good morning, everyone. Day 3, here we go. Roanoke, Virginia to Athens, Georgia. Should be able to do this in six hours, I would say. So I'm supposed to be there 4:33. Probably a little bit more because I need to stop, of course, for gas and eat something. But it should be a nice ride. I'm excited. So this part of the highway is not the best. Like, you know, I put the GPS to go on back roads, but unfortunately I have to go through 81 for at least 52 more miles, and then it will get better, and then it will go 77. 81 is just busy. It's so many trucks and not fun, right? So hopefully it'll be better, and then let's see what happens. All right, quick stop somewhere. I don't even know what place is this. Anyway, I just fill it up with the gas. We're supposed to get there at 5 o'clock. So I'm supposed to get to Athens, Georgia at 5 o'clock, and now it's 12:31. So I have a long way to go. So let's start. Look at this nice view. Wow, we're so high up. Beautiful. The only thing is that it's okay. It's so many trucks and stuff, but it's fine. I'm having a good time. I'm having a good day, and it's not raining, so it's all good. It's totally fine. Hey, I just arrived in Athens, Georgia. Long day. I didn't expect that, but it's all good. It didn't rain. It was great. A couple of highways and a couple of back roads. So I found a way to put the microphones. I just put them the other way, on the other side actually, and this to touch my, my my face, but it's okay. I can deal with that. So it's working now. And then the prompts, like to turn on, turn off, and start recording, stop recording, didn't work because it was set up in Chinese. And I don't speak Chinese, not yet. All right, so it was a great day, nice. I talk to you soon. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday I didn't make any videos because I got to the hotel so tired. It was 92 degrees all the way here, so like 8 hours, almost 8 hours. And I guess the heat takes a huge toll on you. So today much better, 75 now, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna get to 92 or even more later on. So that's why I'm just trying to leave a little bit early. A couple of things that I do to keep me hydrated. Went to REI before I left Boston area, and I bought these. So those are delicious and they're good. Give you energy like right away. These gummies here are also delicious. Some of these have caffeine, this one doesn't. For the Camelback, I fill it up with water, and I am able to drink water while I'm riding. And I just use this liquid IV here, which is great. So hopefully today will be a better day in terms of temperature. You know, it's all good. So it's all perfect actually. The motorcycle has been great. The lights helps a lot. The light here on the helmet, these are excellent. So this is on all the time, right? I cannot wait to get to Key West and then, you know, feel accomplished for what I did. Like, you know, the beginning of everything, which is the adventure, you know, the Da Vinci chocolates across America, but also to help NAMI, the National Alliance of Mental Illness. So if you can help, please, you can go to my website, which is davincichocolatier.com, and there is a link there that you can help. We are going to Fort Myers, and should be there 2:34. I just stopped at the gas station, fill it up with gas, and then I'm ready to go. Yesterday was 92, it was super hot, and today it's probably gonna be almost like that, but it's windy, so it's better. So let's see what happens. All right. The rain again, so I have to stop at one McDonald's and change this, change the gear. I'm gonna put the Gore-Tex one, which is this one here. So Gore-Tex pants, Gore-Tex gloves, and the jacket. And first I need to dry myself and then eat something. I'm hungry, and it's pouring crazy outside, so I might need to wait a little bit before I start the journey. And I am 140 miles away, so not bad. All right. Look at this. Oh Jesus! I have to wait a little bit more here. It's too much. Finally, I just got here. Oh, it was tough. So 140 miles under intense rain. Look at the bike. She's holding on great. Look. So I tried to get something ocean view. It's gonna be okay, right? I guess. We'll talk soon. Bye. Today is a day that we're going to Key West. So I just stopped for gas. We should get there by 1:21. Hopefully there's not much traffic, especially on the bridges. And I'm super excited. Yay! Today is a very, very special day for me, and I hope to get there soon. I go to that buoy, the southernmost